Exercise 1.1 problem 3 solution. There are three divisions, division 1, division 2, division 3. I am combined it all together. So here P equal to ABC, set P equal to ABC, set Q equal to GHXY, set R equal to AEFS. Find this division 1 is P difference R. So P difference R means this P is here. So ABC, set ABC, difference, the set which contains AEFS. So what is P difference R? All the elements in P contained in P but not in R. So basically what we need to do is that we have to check every element of P whether it is present in set R. If it is present, it gets dropped. If it is not present, it gets included. Okay, so that's how we need to do. So A is in P, A is in R, so it just gets dropped. B, it's not present in set R, so it is added. Okay, and C, there is nothing here in R, so which means C actually gets added. So P difference R is B and C. Okay, so let me repeat. P difference R means you'll have to take here all the elements in P present in P but not in R. So basically all you need to do is take every element of P and check whether it is present in set R, and if it is present, it gets dropped. If it is not present, it is actually added in the final result. So this is set P, okay, and this is set R. Okay, so that's how you need to do P difference R. Next, Q intersection R. So you list out both the sets. Actually this is a Q and this is R. So GHXY is Q and AEFS is actually R. And see whether there is any common elements between G is present in Q, it is not present in R, so it is not going to come out. H is here, there is nothing, no H here. X, no X here. Y, there is no Y. So which means if you select one set, actually what we need to do, whenever you have two sets for intersection, select the set which contains the smallest number of elements and check those elements. If they are present, write it in the answer. If it is not present, leave it off. So there is no need to select, check both the sets. Check the set which has got the minimum number of elements, but in this case both have got 4 elements, so it's fine whichever you want to select. But there may be cases the first set will have 2 elements and the second set might have 10 elements, so there is no point starting with the set which has got larger number of elements. Select the one which has got the minimum number of elements. Okay, so in this case there is no commonality between these two sets, and as a result the Q intersection R is nothing but a null set which is represented by phi or by this symbol, empty brackets. Okay, now let's go to the division 3, R difference P intersection Q. Okay, so in this particular case, first we need to find P intersection Q, then find R difference P intersection Q. Okay, so now let's start P intersection Q. So P intersection Q is, P is ABC and Q is GHXY. So find the common elements between these two sets as we go. Okay, this has got 3 elements and this has got 4 elements. So let's start with P. A is here, there is no here, so A gets dropped. B, there is no B in this set Q. C, there is no C in this set Q, which means the intersection between P and Q is a null set. Now what we need to do, we need to find R difference P intersection Q. R is AEFS. Difference is basically an empty set, so which means there is no element which will there is no element here in this P intersection Q. So what is the difference? Every element we'll have to take here in set R and check whether it is present in this set, and if it is present, it gets dropped. If it is not present, it will get added into the result. Okay, since this is empty set, all the elements of R will come out as a result. A is here, there is no here, so it gets added. Let's take E, there is no E in this set, it will come out as the result. F, there is nothing here in this set, so F will come out. S, there is no S, it will come out. So basically the entire R will come out because the difference is an empty set. It is like subtracting 0. you subtract the 0 from any number, you get the same number, isn't it? So that is what is an equivalence here in the set theory. Since it's an empty set, the difference of R intersection P, R difference P intersection Q will be R itself. Okay. So I hope it's clear. If not, please go through one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.